Wagwan Jamaica, welcome back to News to Me. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's get to the meat of the matter. Lockdown. As of today, September 11, the coronavirus tally has risen to almost 4,000, with 1,576 cases reported in August alone. The death toll is also skyrocketing. 21 deaths on August 31st, 40 by today. These numbers are alarming. We really did not need the government to tell us that it's time to mask up and take the virus seriously. And now, the newly reappointed Health Minister, Dr. Christopherson, has advised that there is community spread. Some people now are calling for another lockdown. Let us be clear though. We need stiff measures to control the spread of the virus, to minimize the loss of life and prevent the collapse of the healthcare system. But we also need to protect the economy. Hold on, hear me out. I am not saying that the Jamaican government should prioritize the economy over people's lives. That's not it at all. I'm asking you to think about the thousands of Jamaicans who have to hustle every single day just to find food to eat. It's very easy when you still have a job, can work from home and collect your paycheck in the middle of a pandemic, to sit around the computer in your living room and call on the government to lock down the entire country. In the meantime, what is happening to the lady who sell out a school gate? How she feed for putting them from March until now? When everywhere locked down and businesses closed, who pay the people who work in these businesses? How them rent, light and water bill pay? In April, when the country was under lockdown, a poll by the Caribbean Policy Research Institute, CAPRI, found that 42% of Jamaicans said they would run out of money by May. That number increased to 78% if the country remained on lockdown for 3 months. Only 9% said that they had savings to last beyond 6 months, and a whopping 16% had no savings at all. At that time, 1 in 10 households had already cut back on groceries. This was back in April. We are September now. The COVID-19 numbers are still rising and there are no signs that economic activity will get back to normal anytime soon, whatever normal is. In the latest research by CAPRI in partnership with UNICEF on the effects of the pandemic in Jamaica, 1 in every 2 Jamaican households with children had enough income or savings to last only 14 days or even less. And 80% of households with children have lost 46% of their income on average during COVID-19. That's how bad it is for many people. And I can understand why some people feel that it's necessary to have a lockdown right now. In this moment, a lockdown seems like it makes sense if we want to contain the virus. But it would also be devastating for the Jamaicans who don't have the option to simply go home and wait out the pandemic. Earlier this year, the government allocated $10 billion in relief payments to help ease financial hardships many Jamaicans were facing. Can the government find more money to pay out now? When the economy grinds to a halt and taxes stop flowing in, what will the government do then? We are caught between a rock and a hard place, and to get out of this, we're going to have to help each other. Check if your neighbor pitney them a eat. If you can afford to slip a little thing, give your friend who don't work for months now, do it. It's rough on everybody, but a lockdown right now will make it even harder. So please, just mask up, do what you can to protect yourself and those around you, and let's keep fighting. One love.